Welcome to Outback Polaks. I'm exhausted, but it's our last day in New Zealand. We decided to come to the Hobbiton movie set. You've never seen the Hobbits, have you? Neither have I.
What?
No, I only saw The Lord of the Rings.
I haven't even seen that. No,
Wonder what this whole thing is about. Let's go have a look.
Oh, here comes a hobbit. Here comes a hobbit.
Now we do actually have 44 different Hobbit homes here on our set as well. Now, as some of you may already know, we do of course have some very famous Hobbits that actually live here in Hobbiton, so you will be seeing some very famous and unique homes. However, not every character that lives here is in fact famous. And now I'm afraid to say that some of these unfamous characters, they do not even have real names, they are just known by a title of their occupation.
These gardens are really well maintained. Unbelievable. Wild animals everywhere, veggies growing, houses. It's really nice.
A couple of photos and maybe a good look at these as well, guys. But for now, if you want to follow me up the hill and I can meet you at the top. If you want to make your way up, you can go up.
That small tree is fake and has over 200,000 leaves. That's crazy. Fake leaves. Imported from Taiwan.
Yeah, of course.
sorry, bye. Really quick.
And now, as we mentioned earlier on in the day, this is of course the very famous home of our main characters, Bilbo and Frodo Baggins. Now, as you can all see today, the door is actually open, sorry, but unfortunately we are not allowed to come inside, I'm afraid today, guys. We can only get up as close as the fence and the gate here in front of you.
Zrobić ci zdjęcie?
Her personal assistant.
Napij się wody, zobaczy, dobrze smakuje.
Yeah, taste it, let me see if it tastes good.
O!
Oh, yeah. Hold on, I'm going to taste it.
Say a.
Ready? Tastes like beer.
You taste it?
Yeah, it tastes like beer.
You should drink it, Daddy.
I'm okay.
Dobra woda?
No.
Też smakuje. Oh my god. Oh, I'm turning into a hobbit.
Some say he is actually the real hero of the Lord of the Rings films. So with that in mind, can anyone shout out and tell me who might live here? That is right, guys. Well done. It is, of course, one Samwise Gamgee. Now,
It's a green dragon pub, whatever it's called. The mill.
Idziemy do tego.
They built it pretty well. Time to get our complimentary beer and ginger beer for Lumi. Oh, let's check it out.
So there's 2 lights.
Yeah.
Just dla was like.
Try that, and if you don't like it, well, there's hot chocolate in there.
Can I have like ginger light beer?
So there's a light beer, that's a dark beer.
Yeah.
And
Cheers, mate. Cheers. 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 Now let's go throw the ring in the fire. Or a volcano, or we'll just take it back to Brisbane. It's just as hot over there. So we're done at the Hobbiton movie set. Did you like it?
Yeah.
What do you need to do now?
Ice cream.
No. You need to watch the movies. Because you haven't even seen the movies yet. I've only seen The Lord of the Rings, so I gotta watch The Hobbit. We've got it at home, so we'll get back and watch one. But now we're off to Hamilton.
Watch one?
Yeah, there's 3 of them. And then there's The Lord of the Rings, so another 3. Yep. Gonna need a whole day to watch those. A lot of Red Bull. Oh, I think I'm getting sick from that skydive yesterday. Anyway, thanks for sticking with us. Subscribe, like and share. See you soon.